Hi, I'm here to show you how to replace the battery on a 2 gig Go Control thermostat. Now, if you have this thermostat, here's how to change its batteries. Imagine the unit is attached to the wall. Locate the 2 indentions at the bottom of the unit. Pull it out. Remove the old AA batteries and replace with new AA batteries. Make sure the positive signs line up. Align the cover, push it in, and you're done. Also, if you're a Security Care Plus customer, don't forget to schedule your regular inspection every 2 years, and we'll change the batteries for you.